आज मैं आप लोग के सामने 2 पोएम्स लेके आ रही हूँ. द फर्स्ट वन इज ऑन लाइफ. एज एवरीबडी ने कोट सुना ही होगा, लाइफ इज व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू आर बिजी मेकिंग अदर प्लान्स. वो जॉय राइड, वो खुशी गम के मौके, वो सब आपको लाइफ शब्द सुनते ही याद आ जाते हैं. तो मेरी पहली पोएम रहेगी लाइफ पे, और दूसरी रहेगी जैसे कोटिंग ऋतिक रोशन ऑन दिस. क्या आप में से किसी ने प्यार किया है? और जिन लोग का जवाब हाँ है, वो क्या मुझे बता सकते हैं कि उनमें से कितने लोगों ने खुद से प्यार किया है? तो द सेकेंड पोएम विल बी ऑन सेल्फ लव. सो हियर इट गोes. Life a wonderful lie. We come alone into this world to be a part of this ever-ranging collection of people. With all its subtle nuances, deception comes on to us from all nooks and crannies. Some in forms we recognize, some in unrecognized form. This deception carves a niche into our lives. Behind the beautifully ornamented facade of life lies the realm of darkness, built stealthily to avoid the attention, having aisles of secrets and stairs spiraling downwards. We, the naive people, happen to straddle along and admire the facade, forgetting the demons it hides. The embellishments delight us, so the lie becomes the truth. Black becomes white. This happens to be rife, so don't worry, people. It's a wonderful lie called life. So now I'll be moving on to an ode to myself. Every day I wake up, monotonously continuing on, foolishly hoping the things would change, carrying the loads of mountains and universes of those around me, putting out fires in others' lives. This feels exhausting, stagnant, and soul-crushing. I feel strong, but feckless, fighting their battles for them. I back down when faced by my own fights. I recede into the walls of solitude. I try to reach out from the bottomless pit, but find no shoulder to lean on. I wept and wept alone. Rejoice, and people seek you. Grieve, and they turn and go. There are none to decline your sane advice, but alone you must drink life's call. I seem out of place, just like the deer that is just about to be killed, looking wide-eyed at the world, thinking what my next move would be. Struggling every step of the way puts things into perspective. Bearing all this despondence in my heart, I move on. The only thing I'm sure of is I am all I have, and fighting life's darkness with light is a dying art. Thank you.